Hello, welcome to Fix It Tony. Today's going to be a video. There's a plastic trim piece on my dishwasher that got yanked off, factory glue. So basically I have to get this thing back on. So I'm going to use super glue. I'm going to use a cyanoacrylate glue. This is a gap filling, so it's a little bit thicker, so it's not as runny. To improve the strength and the speed of curing, I'm going to use an accelerant. This accelerator, once you put the glue on and you push everything together, then you just spray this over the glue and it creates an environment in which the glue cures a lot quicker. So we'll see how this works. First things first is I got to protect my work surface, so I'm going to protect these buttons from getting all gooped up. So I'm just going to stick some tape. Not protecting it from the glue, but I'm protecting it from the overspray from the, the accelerant. Go all the way over here. Alright, I think that's good enough. Now, glue is going to probably drip down here. So, you just stick some paper towel. And I'm going to tape it so that if glue does drip, it won't drip on the floor or down the dishwasher. So preparation is going to take twice as long as the actual job itself, but that's normal when you want to do something. That's the dishwasher chirping at me. Alrighty. So, alright, let's just carefully stick this in the corner. And up here, and up here. Cap on the glue quickly. Put this on and spray. That didn't spray as a spray, which is unfortunate. See the overspray? This stuff has a very unusual smell. It's sort of a, it's strong. It's almost sweet like. Some people are really appalled by it. Get this off as soon as possible. And oh yeah, isn't that interesting? Bit of a gotta get a razor blade to fix that. go. Now we'll see how long this lasts. It's a real poor design. You know, there's a book called How Things Work, and it has a real criticism of how products that would break, a piece of plastic that breaks like this, it's not because of the user problem, it's because of the engineers and the designers. They put this shiny piece here, it's plastic, and they use some cheap glue, not a hard mechanical connection, and this thing pops off. So, you know, I blame them and the company for doing that, for causing the breakage. All right, let's just start this up again. And that's all she wrote. Thank you so much. It was a quick little fix. Have a good day. Please like and subscribe. Share this video with other people too. Thanks. Bye.